What is the function of underfail bottom filling gel? 1. Introduction. Underfail is a commonly used material in the field of electronic packaging, utilized to fill the gaps between electronic components and substrates, thereby enhancing the connection strength and reliability. 2 functions. Gap filling. Gap filling fills tiny gaps, addresses size mismatch issues, ensuring a stable and reliable connection. Enhanced connection strength improves adhesive strength, increasing connection robustness. Improved thermal expansion performance addresses thermal expansion mismatch issues, enhancing overall performance. Vibration and shock resistance absorbs and disperses external forces, reducing stress concentration, extending connection lifespan. 3. Application areas. Chip-level packaging, CSP filled chips, ball grid or ABGA packaging, organic core board OCB, lead-free solder connections. For future development trends, lower bonding temperatures, increased elastic modulus, shortened curing time, reduced costs. The significance of underfail cannot be overstated, as it plays a crucial role in the reliability and durability of electronic packaging. As technology evolves, underfail will continue to advance, presenting more opportunities and challenges for the industry.